Granddad's gonna have to get some the bell pepper. This goes on the tomatoes. Come here. Now on bell peppers I skip 3. So where does the next one go? I skip 3. 1, 2, 3. That's right. Let me put it right in the middle. Push down on it. That's good. Okay, did you skip 3?
I think we need more bottles.
We do need more bottles.